Hey there, foodies! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the delicious world of Korean cuisine to explore a dish that might not be as well known as some of the classics. That's right, we're talking about Korean Eomuk Bokkeum, and trust me, there are some fascinating unknown facts about this dish that you're going to love learning about. So, let's get started. Before we get into the juicy details, let's quickly go over what Korean Eomuk Bokkeum is. It's a mouth-watering stir-fry dish made with fish cake, a staple ingredient in Korean cuisine. Now, here's where the unknown facts come in. Did you know that Eomuk Bokkeum actually has its origins in street food culture? That's right. It was traditionally sold as a popular snack on the streets of Korea, especially during chilly weather. It's incredible how this humble street food has evolved into a beloved dish found in restaurants and homes across the country. You can see vendors skillfully skewering fish cakes onto sticks and grilling them to perfection over open flames. It's a testament to the rich culinary heritage of Korea. Now, let's talk ingredients. Apart from fish cake slices, this dish often features a colorful array of vegetables like bell peppers, onions, and scallions. But here's the twist: the sauce. The sauce is what elevates this dish to another level of deliciousness. Cooking process. The sauce typically includes a blend of soy sauce, gochujang, Korean red pepper paste, sesame oil, garlic, and a touch of sweetness. This unique combination gives Eomuk Bokkeum its signature flavor profile, a perfect balance of savory, spicy, and slightly sweet. Here's an unknown fact that might surprise you. Eomuk Bokkeum is not only enjoyed as a standalone dish but can also be used as an ingredient in other Korean recipes. It's often added to stews, noodle dishes, and even rice bowls, bringing its fantastic flavors to new culinary horizons. Let's start with the origins of Eomuk Bokkeum. Did you know that Eomuk translates to fish cake? And Bokkeum refers to the Korean cooking technique of stir-frying. This dish emerged as a way to creatively use fish cakes, resulting in a delightful symphony of flavors. Imagine the bustling streets of Korea, with vendors skillfully skewering fish cakes onto sticks and grilling them over open flames. Street food culture played a pivotal role in shaping Eomuk Bokkeum's evolution. It's a true testament to how street food can influence mainstream cuisine. The marvelous sauce. Now, let's delve into the heart of the dish: the sauce. Eomuk Bokkeum's secret lies in its mouthwatering sauce, combining bold ingredients like gochujang, soy sauce, sesame oil, and a hint of honey. This harmonious blend adds layers of complexity, transforming fish cakes into a culinary masterpiece. As we stir-fry the fish cakes and vibrant vegetables, the aroma fills the air with anticipation. The sauce caramelizes, creating a glaze that coats each ingredient, resulting in a burst of umami flavors with a delightful kick of heat. The surprising versatility. But here's the twist: Eomuk Bokkeum isn't just a standalone dish. Its versatility is astounding. You can find it as an exciting ingredient in other Korean favorites like hot stews, savory pancakes, and even fusion creations that push culinary boundaries. The healthy aspect. Here's a bonus fact: Eomuk Bokkeum isn't just delicious, it's also a healthier option. Fish cakes are a lean source of protein, and when combined with vibrant veggies and balanced flavors, this dish becomes a guilt-free indulgence. Have you ever wondered about the hidden gems of Korean cuisine? Well, Eomuk Bokkeum is one such treasure waiting to be explored. Beyond the familiar classics, there's a world of culinary wonders that deserve their moment in the spotlight. Historical insights. The cultural connection. But let's not forget the cultural connection. Eomuk Bokkeum is more than just a dish, it's a story that connects generations. Families have been passing down recipes and techniques, preserving the essence of Korean food culture. Health and delight. And here's the surprise: indulgence with a healthy twist. Fish cakes, the star of our dish, are low in fat and high in protein. Pair that with a rainbow of veggies, and you've got a guilt-free culinary delight that nourishes both body and soul. Invitation to adventure. Now, here's your invitation. Venture into your kitchen, embrace the spirit of experimentation, and create your very own Eomuk Bokkeum masterpiece. Don't be afraid to infuse it with your personal touch. That's what makes each dish a work of art. And there you have it, folks. The enchanting world of Korean Eomuk Bokkeum. A dish that holds within it history, innovation, and the joy of discovery. If you're as excited as I am about exploring the lesser-known treasures of cuisine, remember to hit that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe for more culinary revelations.